Before the colour service, carry out a creative consultation to best assess your client's colour and care needs. Create a profile parting followed by a radial. Secure all sections with TIGI PRO Sectioning Clips. Put on protective gloves. Begin at the nape and take a diagonal parting. Subdivide the parting and create a V shape using Formula 1. Secure with TIGI copyright colour mesh strips. Repeat on the opposite side and continue working in the same way until you reach the low crown. At the low crown, adjust the angle of your application. Following the natural curvature of the head, apply the colour higher on the external side of the parting and lower on the internal. Take a diagonal back parting from the low recession. Apply Formula 1 using the same technique, starting ½ inch from the hairline. Continue in the same way until the side section is complete and repeat on the opposite side. Keeping the hairline uncoloured will create a soft, darker halo around the face. Process the colour for 35 minutes. Emulsify, rinse and remove with your chosen TIGI copyright range. Apply Formula 2 from the new growth through to the lengths and ends and process visually for up to 20 minutes. Emulsify, rinse and remove with your recommended TIGI copyright care regime.